Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple hepatic metastases. You can see the liver and multiple metastases are seen in the whole length of the hepatic parenchyma. These metastases are protruding outwards from the liver surface, and the chest cavity has brought the chest cavity forward. The liver is enlarged in size. It measures about 18 centimeter in the long axis. And there is a bulge in the chest cavity, rib cage, due to the projection of the protruding of these hepatic metastases from the hepatic surface. Liver metastasis means that cancer is in one part of the body and it has spread to the liver. In these cases, the person has advanced or stage 4 cancer. Prognosis for liver metastasis tends to be poor, with roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. A hypoechoic liver lesion on ultrasound can arise from a number of entities, both benign and malignant. A benign hepatic hemangioma is the most common entity encountered, but in this patient with atypical findings, a risk for malignancy and other entities must be considered. Ultrasound imaging features of liver metastasis from GIT tract are as follow: bull's eyes appearance. This is very typical. And multiple masses, irregular tumor borders, arterial rim-like enhancement, and hypo-enhancement in the late vascular phase. So a liver metastasis is a cancerous tumor that has spread to the liver from a cancer that started in another place in the body. It is also called secondary liver cancer. Primary hepatic cancer originates in the liver and most commonly affects individuals who have high risks such as hepatitis or cirrhosis. So because liver metastases spread to the liver from another part of the body, they can be very difficult to treat, but with the right approach, remission and even a cure are possible for some patients. Now again you can see then the side-on position, multiple masses are seen, and the view of the gallbladder is obscured as these metastases are bulging forwards from the hepatic surface. Liver metastases are cancerous tumors that have spread, that is, metastasized to the liver from another part of the body. These tumors can appear shortly after the original tumor develops or even months or years later. This information is about cancer that has spread to the liver. So the prognosis of liver metastasis tends to be poor, with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. Treatment can help reduce the symptoms and shrink the tumor, but typically there is no cure for liver metastasis. Symptoms of these metastases, that is secondary liver cancer, are an overall feeling of weakness and poor health, loss of appetite, weight loss. Then there is fever, fatigue, bloating, itching, swelling of the legs, that is edema, and clinical presentation of hepatic metastasis or liver metastasis are usually asymptomatic and found during investigations of malignancy, which has presented in other ways. In the hepatic, if the hepatic metastasis burden is large, then the presentation or symptoms related to the liver disease may include localized pain and tenderness due to capsular stretching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.